Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Sally and Steve. Hi Sally, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Yeah.
So today, I believe we're going to be making stuff with eggs.
It's all about eggs today. The ultimate fast food.
Yeah.
Okay? So what do you cook with eggs, Steve?
I make scrambled egg, I make omelettes, I make fried eggs, do poached eggs. I use eggs. I used eggs last week when we made the Victoria sponge.
Yeah. Eggy bread?
Yeah, eggy bread, yeah. So Margie taught me how to make eggy bread.
Or French toast if you want to be posh. But that's a sweet one.
It is, and I loved it.
Yeah.
I forgot all about that now that you reminded me. I'm going to make some French toast.
So eggs are really, really quick to cook, and what we're going to do today, because you've done an omelette.
Oh, boiled eggs as well.
Boiled eggs, yes.
With soldiers.
Or boiled egg sandwich.
That's my favourite sandwich is an egg mayonnaise sandwich.
Egg mayonnaise, there you are. So there's lots we can do with eggs, but what we're going to do today, Steve, is we're going to do a different type of omelette. We're going to do a posh omelette, it's called a souffle omelette.
Okay.
So I'm going to let you loose with the mixer again.
Woohoo! Oh, sugar.
But you don't want to get it in yet. Okay. Right, Steve, what's the first thing you should be doing in the kitchen?
Wash my hands. So I'm going to go and wash my hands. Make sure they're nice and dry after I've washed them. Good. Nice, clean hands.
Now we do our shuffle around just for our social distance cookery.
Yeah.
Okay. So, right, the first thing I like to do, for this recipe, we're going to need 3 eggs. Okay, and we'll make a cheese one, a cheese souffle omelette. So we've got 3 eggs, and we've got some grated cheese in a bowl there, Steve.
Grated cheese. There's our eggs, guys. As you can see. Oh, nearly lost one.
Yeah. Okay, they don't bounce well.
No, they don't.
And in that cup there, we've got a bit of cooking oil.
Got some cooking oil.
And just behind you, we've got some pepper.
Pepper.
And in the cupboard.
This cupboard.
That cupboard, yeah. There's some salt.
Yeah, we've got.
There's a packet of low salt there, yeah.
Salt.
Yeah. So just get that out, so please bit that.
Okie doke.
A little bit. Okay. So we're using the low sodium salt because obviously that is better for you. Okay. So what I'd like to do is, have you ever separated an egg?
I think I have. I feel like I have.
Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to get a big bowl.
Ah, the big bowl.
Put them side by side.
You can see different in sizes. Yeah.
Okay. And you want to crack your egg. Right. And you want to put all the white in that bowl. So you just want to catch the yolk in the shell. Or you can put it into your hand and let it run through your fingers.
I'm not going to do that.
Yeah. Some people say it's a bit slimy, so
yeah.
Not always very good.
Ooh.
Yeah. Right. Be very careful that there's no yolk goes in the white.
Yeah, it's no yolk, that Sally. And then do I put the yolk?
So put the yolk in the small bowl.
So as everyone can see, I've left the yolk in that half a shell.
Yeah.
That goes in there.
And like last week we said, if you get a bit of shell.
Sorry. Yeah, we can use it as a scoop.
Yeah. Use the scoop there. Okay. And the reason you don't want to get any yolk in white is that the fat will stop it from whisking up.
So eggs are really good for you, aren't they,
Yeah.
Sally?
Yeah, good source of protein. And people say they're quite high fat, but they're not really. They're relatively low fat.
But it's the good fats, isn't it?
Yeah.
In an egg.
Yeah.
I actually eat quite a lot of eggs. I really like scrambled egg. My favourite breakfast has got eggs in it. Oh.
Yeah. Things like Spanish omelettes you can make as well.
Yeah.
Your frittatas, they're really good. Your potatoes. Have you ever seen chickens hatch?
We actually have, yeah.
Yeah?
So I'll let you into a little known secret, Sally. My dad actually keeps racing pigeons. So Yeah, I have actually seen chickens hatch. So not chickens like normal chickens and stuff, but baby pigeons.
They must be tiny eggs.
Yeah, they're about that big, yeah. Yeah.
They're about half the size of that one.
Yeah, and the white as well.
Yeah. But as well, because probably the same with pigeons is when there's a chicken in there about to be about to hatch, you can hear them, can't you?
You can hear them, yeah. And you can see the eggs start to crack and stuff, yeah.
Yeah. And when eggs are laid, they're soft as well, aren't they?
Yeah, they are soft here. I was never allowed to see them when they were like that, but I was kept away just in case it touched.
So you've got your.
Yeah, so I've got my egg whites.
Yeah.
Hopefully everyone can see that. Do you want me to blend that up?
Right. First thing you need to do is just give your yolks a whisk.
Okay, so I'm just going to use
with a fork. Yeah.
I'm just going to use a fork to whisk the eggs. I actually quite like whisking eggs. Quite therapeutic. As you can see, I've whisked that all up so the yolk's all beaten up.
And then if you want...
I've cracked it and then I beat it up. That jokes again, sorry.
I know. So...
Brilliant.
Do you want a bit of seasoning in your omelettes?
Yeah, so do I put a bit of salt?
Just a pinch of salt in that, be careful the
in the yolk?
Yeah, in the yolk, yeah.
Okay, is there sugar here, Sally?
That's salt.
Or is it, so we just use a pinch of that one?
No, pinch of that, you can do, yeah.
So we have got salt out, sorry.
Yeah.
Little pinch.
What's the taste?
Yeah.
Because the cheese is salty as well, so. And then a bit of pepper if you like pepper.
Yeah.
I like lots of pepper.
A little bit of pepper. Never used to like pepper as much, and as I grew older, my taste buds have developed. I like it a bit more now. Brill.
Okay, so again, you just get that mixed in.
Just give it a mix, get the salt in and the pepper all mixed in.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so put that to one side. And now you want to whisk the eggs up. So again.
And remember my tip from last week, Sally, is to make sure that the whisks
are
inside the bowl before I start.
Okay, well, this isn't too bad. It's not like the icing sugar.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if you're really brave, you can turn that bowl over and over your head, and we know it's done then. If it falls out, it's not.
Should we try it? Are we ready? Oh my god. I'm nervous.
Right.
Whee! Didn't come out.
Okay, so the next bit is that we're going to put the egg yolks, right, about a spoonful in with the whites.
Okay, so do we use this big spoon or is that for something different?
That's the big spoon, yeah, that's for it.
Okay, so just make sure that that's fully mixed up again.
Okay.
So this is a tablespoon, isn't it?
This is a tablespoon, yeah.
So as you can see, it's slightly bigger. So a full.
Yeah, just pop it in, yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine, yeah. It's just really to get some in to loosen the eggs.
Okay.
Right. And then what you want to do is just very, very gently with your spoon, is to gently stir it.
With the spoon?
Yeah.
So just stir it in?
Yeah. But very, very gently. We don't want to lose the air out of the... Okay.
I'm like really surprised that that's made that much of a...
Yeah.
From the egg white, I didn't know you could do that.
So once that's mixed in, if you want to put the rest in, that's great.
So just put it all in now?
Yeah.
What I find really interesting, Sally,
What's that?
is whoever thought first of all to separate the eggs and then whisk them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have to look to see what the history behind. So this time you want to just use the spoon.
Yeah.
Okay. And just using the edge of the
Spoon
here.
Yeah.
So that you just gently cutting through, but you're incorporating all that
Okay.
in, yeah. So try doing it in figure of 8 as well, yeah. And that's called folding. So we're trying to keep as much air
Into the egg.
into the egg.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because what we're going to end up with is a big sort of fat fluffy omelette. And these you can make sweet as well.
How are we looking, Sally?
Yeah, that's fabulous. That's ideal. Okay. So just put it on the side. Yeah. And now we want to select one of the pans. I would use the large one. Because
Okay.
the small ones are a bit unstable on this hob. They tend to sort of fall.
Big pan.
This one's non-stick, but you want to just heat it up. So you put it onto the, I put on the large ring. So again, twist and, okay.
Cool.
Have to hold it down to let it turn it. Keep it hold for a few seconds and then release. Which will stay on.
Okay guys, so make sure that an adult is present when you're doing this to make sure that everything's safe.
And also making sure that your handle's not sticking out just in case you knock it, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so you want to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan. About a teaspoon, I would say. And then just gently swish it down the pan and we'll just wait for the pan to get hot. You don't want the pan too hot, otherwise it will burn very quickly.
Okay. And that's my mix so far, guys. While we wait for the pan to heat up.
Yeah. What you could do, just to test if the pan's hot enough, is just use a little bit of the on that's on the spoon.
Okay, so just knock it in.
Just knock it in. If it starts to sizzle, you know it's
It's not sizzling.
yeah. Try to swish the oil around. So it's not quite hot enough yet. Try and see you come then. So as I said before, we can make this sweet. So
Okay.
we're going to put cheese in this today, make it a cheese souffle omelette. But what you can do is, one, you don't put any salt and pepper in because you're doing sweet.
Okay.
You can put a couple of teaspoons of sugar in the egg and then fold that.
Okay. Is that how they make egg custards?
No. No. Egg custards, as in egg custard tarts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Egg custard tart is a mixture of eggs, milk,
Oh, okay.
a bit of sugar, and then sort of nutmeg on top and bake it.
I don't like egg custard tarts.
I was going to suggest we do it next week, but if you don't like them.
No. Nope. No. Well,
Okay.
are
So
we?
that is. We'll put this bit in here. Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay. So, do we just?
Yeah, just stick it in. Yeah. Obviously away from you because if it's oil in the pan, you don't want to do all the splash.
Yeah.
So you probably just all slide down into the pan. This will make quite a large omelette. So then just gently with the palette knife, just want to smooth it down. that pan with the temperature. Could you turn it down a bit on the pan? Yeah. Don't turn the pan down a little bit more. I think that's
A little bit more.
yeah. Yeah, a bit more. Like this one low. Because what we don't want it to do is burn on the bottom.
Okay, so we need to just make sure we're cooking it
Yeah.
right through.
Because that's a large ring, we probably want it on the lowest heating. That'll be fine.
Brill.
Okay.
Do we just basically let that cook for a bit, do we?
Yeah. Just make sure that's on the lowest heat, though, Steve, because that is a great big ring. What you can do at the moment now is just pop your sprinkle cheese on top.
Okay. So we've gone for a nice cheddar cheese. Is it cheddar?
Yes.
I was making that bit up.
Yeah. Yeah, so grated cheddar. Just what you want.
Could you put other ingredients in as well?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you put a bit of ham, maybe some tomatoes, onions.
Could do, yeah. I think that probably works better with a regular omelette. Okay.
It smells delicious, by the way.
Yeah. I think that's. So what we're going to do now, lots of cheese.
Yep.
Right. Is that I've got to put the grill on this oven.
Okay.
It's on. So we just want to again, you might need oven gloves if the pan's getting hot. Yeah.
Got a pair just here. Ready.
Okay. And then if you just pop that in.
These are my Joy Division oven gloves.
Can't do anything with them, though, can you?
No.
Yeah. Just pop it in there.
Is that on a middle shelf, isn't it, Sally?
Yeah. Yeah. But we've just got the grill going in there, so.
So turn this off now.
Yeah, turn that off, yeah. So we'll leave that for a few minutes, and then we can actually come back to see how it's doing, Steve.
Brilliant. And then what we'll do is maybe show some of the staff how wonderful they are.
Again.
Yeah.
Okay, Steve, we've had the omelette under the grill for about 2 minutes.
2-3 minutes, yeah.
We've got to make sure it's cooked through. Okay, so we'll see what's happening with it now. Wow.
Looks good. Again, if you're at home, make sure that we've got a young parent or a responsible adult that can take the pan in and out. Also make sure that if you're going to put the pan in the grill, you haven't got a plastic handle on your pan.
Good tip, that's one I've forgotten.
And that's what it now looks like. So are we ready to get that out, Sally?
Yeah, so push it out.
I'm just going to take...
Okay. Yeah, just make sure that the grill door always shut because obviously it's at shin height.
Yep.
So.
I want to take one oven glove off just so I can get my plate ready. And I'm going to keep an oven glove on because with the handle being in the grill it will be
right. Just want to step back a minute, Steve, I'll just get the palette knife and wash it.
Yep.
It's going to need that again. So I should just fold it over in half and then slide it onto the plate.
Okay. Maybe.
You might find better just loosening it underneath with the palette knife first.
Yeah, so I'm just loosening it because little bits of the cheese and stuff have stuck to the pan, so I'm just...
Yeah.
And as you can see, I'm probably best
It's safer that way if you rest on the thing.
being left-handed, holding the handle left-handed and freeing my right hand up to...
Yeah. And keeping on top of the hob is a bit safer because you can get a good grip of it and it's not likely to slide.
So, gonna fold it over, Sally, yeah?
Yeah, fold it over. And then slide it onto the plate.
It's not gonna come out.
Yeah.
There you go, boom. There we have a souffled
Omelette.
cheese
yeah.
omelette.
Yeah.
Try it at home, guys. Send them your souffled cheese omelette. Let me see what they look like.
Yeah. And I said that instead of cheese, that you could put the omelette in under the grill. Yes, it's the same way as you did before, but and then when it comes out, put a bit of jam on.
Brilliant. Now, put jam on that.
No, if you want a sweet one.
Oh, sorry, it was a sweet one, not on the cheese. I got confused.
Yeah, you ever had jam and cheese sandwiches?
No, that's a bit weird.
Yeah, nice.
No,
Yeah.
you're not feeling me with that one, Sally. Right.
Cheesecake?
Cheesecake.
Jam and cheese.
Jam and cheese. True.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So you're going to give it a try?
Yeah, I need a
Or
knife.
just in the drawer, this top drawer here. Just mind that cheese, that's going to be really hot. Well, you need some tomato ketchup with it, really.
Nice and fluffy and cheesy.
Yeah, cheesy, yeah.
Yeah, I enjoy that. That's nice. Brilliant. Thank you, Sally.
That's all right. Thank you, Steve. See you next week.
See you next week, guys.